Hello! In this tutorial I'm going to show you how to use the Laminas Starter Kit and its online tools. So we are talking about laminastarterkit.omelag.com and the online tools available under the online tools menu. In our use case we're going to use rowset generator, which generates a class with all the getters, setters and array methods. So let's view the setup and usage. In here we have a couple of sections. The first one is online generator, CLI usage, example usage, parameters required Laminas components, and Laminas Starter Kit components required. In our case, we're just going to use a first section called online generator. We're going to provide a new name for the model, which will be users, then the module name, which is application. This is a default module which comes in the Laminas MVC skeleton app, and properties like username, login, password. Right, let's click generate. Okay, so a generator actually created and outputted a contents for two different files, the abstract model.php and users.php. To actually integrate it into our project, we need to follow the setup instructions listed underneath. The first step is to ensure we have a module called application. So let's open the examp, htdocs, Laminas MVC, which we created previously, and module called application. Yes, we have it. So let's open it. The next step is to create a PHP file called abstract model.php. Right? So we're going to copy the content of the first file, like so, and open the file structure again. So src, then the model, we don't have that folder, so we need to create it. Model, and inside there we should have a rowset folder. Let's create it as well. And in here we can create a file called abstract model.php. Let's change the extension and let's modify it. So the only thing we need to remember is to add the open PHP tag and then paste the contents. Let's save the file and let's have a look at the third setup instruction, which is a users.php in the same location as abstract model. So we need to create a file called users.php. We want to open a notepad. Let's hide it for now. Show the users contents. Copy everything. Open the notepad. Again, open tag for PHP. And save the file. So we are going to test our use case now by modifying default index controller. Let's open the application src, go to controller, open index controller, and here let's create a new public function called user action. In here we want to define a rowset variable set to new application model rowset users. To actually populate the empty object, we're going to call the row set ID, for example 1, row set username to sample, and row set login to login 1. To actually display the contents of the row set, we're going to use a very simple print _r, and we're going to call the row set again with get array copy. Right? Let's exit so we wouldn't get any issues with templates. Let's save the file. Right, so let's open the localhost Laminas MVC /public, which is our root page, and we're going to navigate to a index controller which is called application in the router /user, so the name of the action. Let's press enter, and voila, we have a array returned with set ID to 1, sample username, and login called login1. Notice that we didn't actually set anything for password, which you can change now. So let's open it again. Let's do row set password, and let's say it's very secure password. Let's save the file and open, refresh. Bam, very secure password displayed on the row set. Right, thank you for listening.